Hello everyone, we've got your week 3, day 3 out of truck exercise routine. So if it feels good outside, go ahead and get some sunshine. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Follow along just the minutes on my phone so you can just follow along with me. We're starting out with a minute of high knee marches just to get a little bit warmed up. So if you get your hands up here by your hip level and just marching along and trying to get your legs, your thighs to touch your palms. If it doesn't feel good to go that high, that's fine. Then we can just kind of stay right here. Just getting warmed up here. And then after this, we're going to do a hamstring stretch. And then we're going to get into our other exercises. Good job. We've got 20 seconds left. Okay, 10 more seconds. Okay, so let's go into some RDLs. So this is getting our hamstrings here. You just push your hips back while keeping your back flat, and you should feel it right there in the back of your legs. And then we come up. And we're doing this for another minute. And you really only need to go as far down until you just feel a stretch there. And then just hold it for a sec and then pop back up. Okay, we got about 20 seconds left. And then we're going into butt kickers. Okay, 10 more seconds. Okay, so butt kickers, we're just trying to get your heel to touch your butt. If you don't want to go kind of fast, just keep one foot on the ground the whole time and go this way. We can do a little bit of a jog there. And I think we're doing a minute of these, and then we're doing 2 minutes of we're doing a minute of air squats and then 2 minutes of an active rest. Okay, 20 more seconds, good job, keep that up. More seconds. And air squats, I can show you what to do if you need a little bit of assistance. So let's get into those. So air squats, you just got your feet about shoulder width apart and then just squatting down. You can go as fast or as slow as you need to. The faster you go, the faster your heart rate will get up. If that doesn't feel good on your knees, I'm going to come around to the front and hold on with one hand and just kind of use that to get down and up. And then I'm actually going to come back to this to do rows. Okay, we've got about 20 more seconds. Whichever way you're doing, just keep that up. 10 more seconds. Okay, so keep doing that. I'm going to go look, see what our active rest is. Heisman's. Okay, so let's get started on those. So that's like a 3-step. On your last step, you're pulling on your other leg up. So 1, 2, 3, and you're just kind of putting your weight on the outside leg. Anytime you've got one leg up in the air, that's a good way to work on balance. So the lower you go, the more you're gonna feel it kind of in your glute area. You can speed it up, slow it down. Okay, we're almost at a minute. We've got 1 more minute of this. And after this, we're going into high knees with the twist. Okay, 30 more seconds. Okay, about 15 more. Hopefully that gets your blood going, your heart rate going. Okay, going to high knees. So if you, so you can do this a variety of ways. If you just want to stay here, if it feels good to kind of come back and have a little bit more of a twist. So trying to get your knees up as high as you can. If it doesn't feel good to, go that high, then we'll just do a little bit of a twist. But we don't really want to slouch over, try to keep from straining your neck. And if it feels good to go at more of a jog pace, then you can go a little faster. We've got about 10 seconds left. And then we're going into single leg RDL. So just what we did earlier, but you've got a hand on your truck and then you're stabilizing with your outside leg. And we're doing the same thing. We're pulling our hips back, we're keeping our back straight, but you're really focusing your weight on that one leg. So let's see, we're doing about 30 seconds each side, each leg. Oh, never mind, I was wrong. We're doing about a minute each leg. That should feel pretty good from sitting on your legs all day. And if it doesn't, if this just seems a little too unstable or doesn't feel too great, we can just do 2 legs. Just the one we did at the beginning. Okay, that's about a minute there. So we're switching over to this side. And let's see here. After that, we've got rows. So outside leg is the one that's being stretched. You're pulling your hip back. You're keeping your back straight. About to lose my workout. And you don't want to keep your leg totally straight. You want to have a little bend in your knee. Okay, so we've got about 10 seconds left. And then we're going to move back up to the front of the truck and to do some rows. So let's go up there. Okay, so rows, I'm going to do holding onto this, kind of putting my feet under a little bit and then just pulling myself up. Your elbows should be coming close into your body. That should be activating those big lat muscles back there. You don't really want your elbows to be coming way out. Just keep them close in. And we got a minute of these. Looks like we've got about 10 seconds left. Keep this up. Okay, good job, guys. we're moving into our rest, kind of our last stretch. Okay, get 2 minutes going for our last active rest. So we're doing oblique side bends. This is a good way to kind of activate your side body here, but you're tightening that up to come back. So not only are you getting a good stretch, but you're also tightening up whenever you're coming back upright. So it's a great way to kind of strengthen and stretch at the same time. So I'm gonna do a minute on this side. If you want, you can alternate on each side. And then in about 20 seconds, we're moving to our last minute on the other side. And this is just kind of your cool down for the workout. Okay, we've got about 10 seconds left. Hopefully that feels good. Okay, let's move to that last minute. So I'm working on my left side here. Okay, we're about halfway through on this side. Just remember to tighten it up on the other side to get that strengthening. Okay, we've got about 10 seconds left. Okay, awesome job guys. That was an awesome workout. Good job.